Good morning, students. So now our topic is electrical capacitance of a conductor. By this electrical capacitance name, you can correlate it with your general life. What is the meaning of capacitance, or what is the meaning of capacity? Capacity is ability to store something. Okay. So similarly, here also we are discussing about capacity to store electric charge. So the answer of this particular topic is written even on the meaning of it. Okay. So electrical capacitance is ability to store the charge. Okay. So more and more charge we can store in a conductor, more and more will be its capacitance. Okay. And the capacitance, the charge which we are storing, is directly proportional to the potential. So more and more potential will be, more and more charge will be stored. For understanding this, I can take one example. For example, suppose I have a container, okay, and we want to store water, and I keep on increasing the water. When I will keep on increasing the water you assume as a charge. Okay, so water I am assuming as a charge. So what will be there? More and more water, more and more charge will be stored. What is going to increase? The answer is height. Yes or no? So height, you can consider the potential. So when more water will be stored, more height will be raised by it. Okay, and more water, more height. So here also Q is directly proportional to V. Similar way, the capacity of this container was directly proportional to H. More H will be, more the capacity will be. Okay. So in similar way, Q is directly proportional to V. Q is equal to CV. Because when we will raise the sign of proportional, we have to introduce a constant, and that constant is C. So C is proportionality constant known as capacitance of a conductor. Now by this relation, what is the value of C capacitance? Capacitance C is equal to Q by V. Charge by potential, or Q by V. Now how we can get the definition of capacitance? The answer is, we already have done in so many time in physics, that is keeping the denominator 1. So same we are going to do. Assume V is equal to 1. So when V will be equal to 1, capacitance will be equal to charge. So capacitance of a conductor is defined as the charge required to increase the potential of a conductor by unit amount, because potential we are increasing by unit amount. So definition I hope you understood. Okay, so capacitance we can correlate by this example for understanding. So better will be the storage, more will be the storage, more will be the height. So in the similar way, more will be the charge stored in a conductor if the potential is more. If potential is less, then capacitance or the charge will be also less. So this you can understand. Now capacitance of a conductor already I have defined. Now in which factor it depends? So students, it depends on size and shape of a conductor, that which kind of size or which kind of shape you are using, and it depends on nature of surrounding. Okay, so what happens, nature of surrounding or the permittivity we can say, if we are storing the charge in a conductor, then there are chances that it can be leaked out. Okay, even the particles of air are capable enough to take that charge. They become ionized and they are taking the charge away from it. So if we want to store more and more charge, capacitance, so the permittivity also supports it. So permittivity allows that how much charge you can actually store there. So presence of other conductors near it. This is also possible, that if another conductor is present near it, then it can also leak out the charge. So this is all about capacitance, and now we have to discuss about unit of capacitance. Okay, and let us do this. Unit of capacitance. So students, what is the definition of Q proportional V? Q is equal to CV. C is equal to Q divided by V. Now students, what is the unit for charge? Charge unit is coulomb. What is the unit of potential? Potential is volt. So 1 unit is coulomb per volt. Okay, and 1 more unit is farad. The unit for storing out capacitance is farad. So 1 farad is equal to, when we will get 1 farad? So the answer is, if the numerator, that is Q. If Q is 1 coulomb, okay, and potential is 1 volt, then capacitance by itself will be equal to how much? 1 farad, because both the numerator and denominator are 1. So 1 farad is equal to 1 coulomb per volt. Now students, how to define this relation? So capacitance of a conductor is said to be 1 volt, said to be 1 farad, if an increase of 1 volt potential is required to store 1 coulomb charge. So this is how we have made the definition. I hope you understood it. Now students, definition I have told, unit I have told, even the definition of the unit I also have taught you. But one thing which is remaining is the dimension for capacitance. What should be the dimension for capacitance? So capacitance C is equal to Q by V, keeping on the dimension. So now Q upon, what is V? V potential is actually the W upon Q. Yes or no? So now students, when we will simplify this, you will get Q square upon W. Now students, we can substitute the dimension for the numerator. What is Q? Charge. Charge is equal to IT. So the numerator units are, dimensions are 80 square divided by, what is the dimension for work done? ml square T minus 2. Now students, let us simplify this. M in the numerator becomes M minus 1 and this become L minus 2. T square there and minus 2 gets there plus 2. So T power 4 and A is already square. So this is the dimension for electrical capacitance. I hope you understood the topic in well manner. Thank you. God bless you.